There are some good Samaritans here at the Cockroach Janta Party's protest who are cleaning up the roads because thousands of people are turning up at the protest. That's leading to a lot of trash. Why did you decide to do this?
So my name is Vishal Rathore. I'm from Mumbai. I work in films. I'm an actor and also I work as an assistant director.
So why did you decide to take up this part-time job today?
So I came here and I saw how can I contribute in this protest. And I saw that there's a lot of garbage lying around, and so I thought of cleaning. And my friend Jesse is here. He also started doing that. A lot of people have come together, and they have asked me what do you want, how can we help. So I asked them for gloves. I asked them for jhadu and the garbage bags.
So your friends have sent you all this paraphernalia.
Yes. And some I have gotten from random protesters.
You've been doing this for how many days now?
I came here on 20th, and after that I started doing that.
Oh, if I can ask you as well, he's the one brooming and he's picking up the trash, and there are more people who help them.
The way I see it, this is just an extension of what's going on in there. They're cleaning up the government, we're cleaning up the streets.
What do you do otherwise?
Well, we both make movies back in the industry. We are here representing Bollywood, the people who are being called spineless right now. We apologize on behalf of those people who are not speaking up, but we are here. We hope it somewhat makes up for that.
It's so hot, it's sweaty. In this situation, it's even harder to smell trash. Why did you choose to do this when you didn't really need to?
Because no one else is doing it. It's the fumes that are making me a little bit faintish. But thankfully, people have just come forward. They've given us masks. They've given us everything. Because the two of us started out yesterday, but now there are many people doing it. And actually, you can look around and see the difference. This place has gotten cleaned up significantly.
We can see that this road has gotten cleaned up.
There were just two people here yesterday from the government actually doing the cleaning job, and they gave up because it was impossible for two of them to do it. But once they saw us, they came back, they participated, and today there are trucks here, there are people, there are at least 5 to 10 people from the official job who are doing the job. So it's one of those things where I think a small decision can make a big impact.
So while you see some people on the stage, you see people like us on the camera, but there are several people who are not seen and who are doing these kind of jobs to make this protest possible and livable for the thousands of others who are coming here every day. Make sure you're following Peak TV for more such stories.